need to see the concepts of quant reasoning, most expected questions, and these are the questions we are going to see, and these are the tasks we are going to see in this video. Okay, what we are going to see is from quants we see simplifications questions and 10 quadratic equations, 10 approximation questions, 10 number series, means both mixed number series and wrong number series. And from reasoning we are going to see and practice 10 syllogisms questions, 10 inequalities questions, coding and decoding questions, blood relation questions, alphanumeric series, and directions. So this is today's practice topics. Okay, let's get started with our questions. Here we starting with our first question of simplifications. First question, 4 into 2189 divided by 11. 11 1 times 11 108 means 9 times and 9 times. So we can write this as 200 minus 1 into 4. So 800 minus 4, which will be 796. 796, and here we have 3 into 2754 divided by 17. 17 1 times 17, and we see 3 17, and we see 105 means 6 times, 102, and 34 2 times. So 162 into 3 times, which will be 486. 486, sum of these two we get to 12. 9 9 18, and 8 plus 4 12. 1282. Option B is the answer for this question. Next question, let's see this question. 4 power 6 into 2 power 12. So let's convert all of these in 4. 4 power 6 into 2 power square, which will be 4. Then it will become 6 times divided by, we know that 4 cube, which will be 64. 64 into 4, which will be 256. So it will be 4 power 4 whole equals to 4 square into x. So totally we have, subtracting 4, 12 minus 4 8, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, which will be 6. So we left with 4 power 6. Wait a second, the question asked about 2x, not this one. This is 2x. So if it is 2x, so what totally we have is 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 equals to 2x. So x value will be 4. Option A is the answer. Next question. Let's solve this one. Here x divided by 125 equals to 280 divided by 70, which will be 40. 40 divided by 16. Sorry, it is 4 divided by 16. 4 divided by 16 means 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. So x value will be 125 divided by 4. 4 3 times and 1 time 0.25. So 31.25. Option B is our answer. Okay, next question. 40 percentage, 0.4 percentage. So we can write this as 0.4 into 15. So 4 divided by 10 into 15. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 21, which will be 27. Option D is our answer. Next question. 4 times 28 plus 5. 28 plus 5 will be 33 divided by 7 into 4 3 times 12 plus 2 14 divided by 3 3 11 times 2 times 22, and here we have 35 percentage of 175. So 35 into 175 divided by 100. 5 7 times 5 20 times 7 5 times 35, and 17 7 times will be 119. 119 plus 3 122 whole divided by 20. So we get 2 6 times 1 times 2.5, so 61.25. we got a 61.25, and here we got initially we got 22. We need to subtract that 22. We get a 0.25, and this will be 9 5 minus 2 39.25. Option A is our answer. Next question. %48 of 525. So let's write this as 525% of 48. 48 500 times will be 48 5 times. So 48 5 times will be 240. Next one, 25% of 48, which will be 1 and 2. So totally we have 262 is the answer for this one. And subtract it from 399. We get 7 3 137. 137 equals to 35 divided by 10x. So 1370 equals to 35x. This will be 2 times and 7 times. 7 1 times 7, so 1 times will be 7, and we have wait a second, is there any mistake? 5 7 times 5 2 times 2 14. This will be 6 7 2 7 3 times 21 and 64. Okay, it is 252. So then it will be 147. So 7 21 times. So what we have here is we made a mistake here of 252. Subtract this from 399. So we get a 7 4 147 equals to 35 divided by 10x. 7 times and 2 times 2 21 times. So answer we got is 42. Option D is our answer. Next question. 56 into 6 times 6 5 times 6 6 times 36. 6 5 times 30 33 minus 8 7 times 56 and 8 3 times 24 plus 5 296. So subtracting these two we get 0 and 4 40 and 13 square, which will be 169. So we got 90209 is our answer. Option D is the answer. Next question. Let's see this one. Root over 784. The answer for this one will be 28, and 196 means into 14. 33% of 1000, which will be 330. Okay, first we need to find the value of this one. 14 8 times 112 14 two times, 28 plus 11, which will be 392 into 3 times, 3 2 times 6, 3 9 times 27, 3 times 9 11 into 11 times. So 1 and 6 here, 2 8 13. So we got 12936. From 12936 we need to subtract 646. 646. So we got 0 at the end, 9 2 2 1. So we got 12290. Wait a second, what is the mistake I made here? Let me cross check once more. 28 into this will be 14 into 33 and just 0. 14 8 times 112. 14 2 times 28. Okay, this will be 392 into 3 into 1110. So 3 2 times 6, 3 9 times 27, 3 3 times 9 10 11, and here we have another 0, 11760. So we have 06389 129360 minus 646. So we get 41781. So option A is our answer. Next question. Let me see how many people are here. Please do like the session. There are 11 people watching. In this video we are going to cover all the simplification questions, 10 simplification questions, 10 approximation questions, 10 arithmetic quadratic equations, 10 missing number series and wrong number series. Later we are going to see syllogism, inequalities, coding, decoding, blood relation questions, directions, alphanumeric series. So please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Here 2 1 plus 163, 13 15 times minus 195 and 71, 5150. Okay, we have 4 left. We need to take here we have 13 14, 14 minus 9, 14 minus, which will be 5. So we have 354. Sorry, here we have 254. Option D is the answer. Next one, let's see this question. $55 4 times 220. 220 means 110. 4.5 2 times, which will be 990. So 200. Wait a second. This will be 4 5 divided by 1000 into 200, 2000. So all goes, we have left with 0. So what we have is 200 under root. So we got 10 root 2 is our answer. 10 root 2. Option A is the answer. Next one. Now we reach quadratic equations. That means we have solved total 10 arithmetic 10 simplification questions. Now the first quadratic equation, 3 10 times 30. So 6 5 times. Minus and plus means both the roots are in first root is positive, second root is negative. Next one, here we see 18 means 18 means 9 2 times. Minus and plus both the roots are in positive, bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with 3. So we got plus 6 and plus 27. By comparing both these, we got x lesser than or equals to y. So answer will be option B. Next question, let's see this one. There are 9 people still watching the channel, and please try to comment your answer, and also if you are new to here, please do like the session and subscribe my channel. 196 14 times, minus and plus both the roots are in positive. 266 14 19 times, 266. Okay, so minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Option B again. Okay, next question. Let's see this one. 3 40 times, 120. 120 means 15 12 times. Sorry, it does not get 23. So what we take here is 120, 12 10 times, no, 8 5 times will be 40, and 3 times 15 8 times, 15 8 times. Sorry, in the previous one I said that 15 12 times. It is not 15 12 times, it is 15 8 times. We get 23. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next one, here bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with 5 5 5 8 times 40, and 5 15 times 60 75. Next one, here 5 8 times 40, so the roots are 8 and 5, both the roots are in positive. We need to multiply this with 3 to make the base equal. We get plus 15 and 8 8 3 times, so 24. So it is very clear that x is greater than y. Option A is the answer. Next question, 108 12 9 times, which will be 108. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next one, here 228. 228, I know that it I seen in somewhere. 19 1 times 2 times. Okay, we got 31. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is very clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Option B is our answer. Option B is the answer. Next question, it is a 1 second question. We see minus here and plus here, so y is greater. Option D is our answer. Okay, why? Because the root signs of these are negative and these are positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next question, so we have 0.5. So what we do is, first we need to multiply the equation with 10. We get 125 plus 36 equals to 0. 360 equals to 0. Wait a second. X square minus 125x plus 360 equals to 0. So here what we have is 3600, 36 into 100. We need to get to 125. Let's write this as 25 4 times, 9 4 times. So what we can write is 50 and 72. No, till then let's solve this one. 5 3 times, which will be 15. Minus and plus both the roots are in positive. For this one we got the values of 12.5. Instead of 12.5 we can write this as 2x square minus 25x plus 72 equals to 0. Okay, 144, 72 into 2 times 144, 69 times. So we got the roots 16 and 9, minus and plus, both the roots are in positive, bases are not equal, so we need to multiply the second with 2. So you got 10 and 3, 10 and 6 is for the second. So by comparing 16 and 9 with 10 and 6, we get the 9 comes in between these two numbers. So option E is our answer. Okay, is there any doubt in this first equation? Instead of seeing 12.5, instead of 12.5 we write this as 25 divided by 2. So we are multiplying the total equation with 2. Okay, next question. Let's solve this one. 24 one times will be 24 minus and plus, both the roots are in positive, and here we have 400. 400 means 25 16 times, 20 times 40 10 times. So we got 40 10 times will be 400. So both the roots are positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this 24 comes in between these two numbers. So option E is our answer. Next question. Here we see 3 into 56. So we can write this 56 as 7 into 8, and 3 means we write this as 21 and 8, we don't get 46. 3 into 8 which will be 24. 24 and 7 we don't got 46. Okay, what we do instead is we write this 7 8 and 3, we can write this as 4 2 times. 7 3 times, 21 2 times, 42 and 4. So roots are 42 and 4. Here we have 18 3 times, which will be 54. 54 means 54 1 times. Plus and minus means in the initial one these are both the roots are in positive. Here minus and plus are the root signs. Bases are equal, so comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Option A is our answer. Next, let's solve this one. 3 4 times 12. So we get the same roots 3 4. Positive and positive are the root signs. 3 1 times 3. So 3 1 times, minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y is the answer. So option C is the answer for this one. Next question. 1 second answer, we see minus at the end, so answer will be option E. Answer will be option E. Okay, next question. Before that, how many people are here? 10 people are watching. Please do like the session, and please try to solve these questions and comment your answers. Here we reach to approximations. So first question is x plus 877 minus 498 9. This will be 6 means 7, and this will be 7, so 379. Here we have 25 into 26 equals to this thing, 25 6 times 150, 2 times 50, 65. So we got 65, 379. So we get 1. Here we have 4 means 7. 2 means here we have 3. 3, 4, 5 minus 3, 2. So we got 271. Option C is our answer. Next question, 34 square. So it is not 34 square, it is 35 square. For 3 times 12, 25 is the 35 square minus 18 square, which will be 18 square, 324, 101,901. This one is 1340 plus 79, but we write this as 80. So we get 1420 here, whole divided by this divided by x, and both are in positive. Other side is minus 176. So we have 5. This will be 9 minus 7, 2. So 8 minus 1, 7. 725 plus this one whole equals to 15. So 15, we need to subtract 15, but we get the negative value, which will be minus 710 equals to 1420 divided by x. So x value will be minus 2. Minus 2. Option E is the answer. Minus E is the answer. Minus 2. Next question. Wait a second. Second question of approximations. Okay, this one. Let's solve this one. 25% is 1/4 of x square equals to 104. 200 divided by 5. 5 20 times. So 124. 124 4 times. 4 times will be 16. 2 times 8 9. 4 1 times 4. 496. Does I made any mistake? 104. This is 200. 200 divided by 5. 540 times. Sorry, it is 540 times. So it will be 144. 144 means 12 2 times, which will be 24. Option A is our answer. 24. Option A is the answer for this one. Next question. 105 minus x. Here we have 1757 into 6 divided by 1506. 6 2 times 12, 5 times 1 times. So 251 becomes 7. 251 first initially becomes 17. 251 5 times. 5 25 12 5 2 times 10. If it is 6 times 2 605,157 251, which will be 1751 57. So it will be 8 times, 7 times. So if it is 7 times, so 105 minus 7. 105 minus 7, we got the value of 98. Approximate value. Okay, 98 is the answer. Arindam Chowdhury, welcome to the channel. Next approximation question. 26 divided by 38, but it is 26 divided by 39 into 123. So 3, 13 times 3, 41 times, 13 2 times. So we got 82, and here 25% means 1/4 of 120, 30. So we got extra 30 minus 102. So we have 2, 11. So we got 10. Option C is our answer. Next question. How many people are? There are only 3 people watching. What happened to the remaining people who left? Let's solve this question. 18 15 times, which will be 270 plus 30, 300 minus 225 divided by 5, 45 times. So we get 255 is our answer. Option C is the answer. Next question. Here we see 14 square, which is 196, and 18 square 324, 21 square will be 441. So what we have is 10 minus 1 9, 11 minus 4, which will be 7, 4 minus 4, okay, 79 equals to x divided by 2. So 79 2 times, which will be 18 and 158. So near to 160. So option C is our answer. These are approximations. So answer will be 160. Next question. Today we are in rapid fire mode. 24 percentage and 45 means we see 0 cancel 5 9 times, 5 to 12 times. So 12 9 times, 108 is the answer for this one, and minus 35 we get 73. Option D is our answer. Okay, option D is the answer for this one. Next question. Here we see 220 divided by 100x. This is 37 4 times. 2 times will be 74 2 times, which will be 144. So 144 comes this side with a plus. 9 8 times 72. So what we have is a 6, 216 equals to this one. 0 cancel. 2 11 times 2, 108 times. So 108, x value will be 1080 divided by 11. 11 9 times 99, and something we get near to 100. So answer will be option B. 100 is our answer. Okay. Next approximation question. Here we see 40% of 110. So 44, and minus 225 divided by 15. 15 times. So subtracting 15 we get 9 29. Option A is the answer. Next question. Now we reach number series. It is a missing number series. First question. Here it says that there is no big differences, so we will go with the differences. Difference between first 28 and 70, which will be 2 and 42. Difference between the next two is 42. The next two is also 42. We add 42 this one, so we got 6. 196 is our answer. Option D is the answer. Next question. Here we see long number series. 2 becomes 5, 5 becomes 10. Let's see the differences. First is 3. Second difference is 5, 9, 15. Sorry, it is 15. It is 17, and 3, 33. And the last difference is 7 and 12 minus 6, 6. So let's see double difference. Here we see 2, 4, 8. This will be 16. So it must be 32. If we add 32 to 33, we don't get 62. This is wrong one, means the last one 136 is our wrong number. So option B is our wrong number. Option E, 136 is our wrong number. Next one, missing number is here 7, no, it is 9. Here we have 12, 16, 1, 21. Let's see double difference. Here 3, 4, 5. The next difference must be 6. 21 plus 6 will be 27. So we got 90 as our answer, option B. Next question. Let's see this question. The difference between these two. Wait a second. Before doing differences, I see some numbers which are 96 becomes 48, 72 becomes 36. So what we see a pattern here is, I see it is half times. The next two numbers is half times. So we can clearly say that it must be half times. We don't need to check the pattern of 64 and 96 also. Okay, so 54 half times, which will be 27. Option B is our answer. Next one, wrong number series. Let's see differences. We got 12, 21, 32, 4 and 44. The last difference we see is 1, 61. So let's see double difference again. Here we see a difference of 9. Here we see a difference of 11. Here we see 12. Here we see 17. I think these two are in mistake. Here 9, 11, it must be 13. If it is 13, then it must be 45. If it is 45, 83 plus 45, which will be 128. So if it is 13, then it must be 15. So if it is 15, here we have 45, 45 plus 15, which will be 59. So 129 plus 59, no, it is not. Does anyone have answer? 127. What is the pattern you got? I can say that the wrong number is 127. It is okay, but I didn't get the pattern. Here we have difference of 2. So does we taking the difference of 3 here? If it is 3, it will be 13. It will be 14. If it is 14, we get 32 plus 14, which will be 46. If it is 46, we get 129. So the next difference we take 5. Then here 14 plus 5, which will be 19. So 129 plus 44, 46 plus 19, 46 plus 19, we get 65. So 128. So we need to find the wrong number. We got the wrong number, which is 127. Let's leave there. I didn't get the pattern of there. 60 and 45, it will be 15. So you're talking about previous one. Okay, let's see this one. We see missing number series question. Let's solve this one. Here we see minus 5, minus 7, minus 10. Next one we see difference of 15. Next difference we see is 22. Let's see double difference. 2, 3, 5. Here the difference is 7. So the next difference must be 11 because these are prime numbers. So 22 and 11, which will be 33, is the difference. Subtracting 33 from 64, we get 31. Option B is our answer, 31. Next question, we see wrong number series. Here it is 9 times plus 9. Here we see 8, 28. Here we see 5. I can clearly say from these two, it is clear that 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1. So it must be 4 cube plus 1. Here we got a 65. It is also correct. So the next difference must be 5 cube plus 1, which will be 126. So 347 plus 126. Unit digit must be 3, but here we have unit digit 5. So this is our wrong number. So answer will be 475 is our wrong number, option A. Okay. Cubes plus 1. Next one. You can see that it is 4 times. Here it is 3.5 times. 48 3 times. 24 and 12, 14 and 24, which will be 8, 6, 168. So it will be into 3.5 times. Next one is into 2 times. Sorry, it is into 3 times. So it must be into 2.5 times. 1008 and 252. We got this one 1260. So the next one must be into 2 times. So 1260 into 2 times, which will be 256. Sorry, 2520. Option A is our answer. Next question, we see wrong number series question again. Here we see difference of minus 90. We see a difference of 56 plus 20, 76. Next difference, we see 8 plus 44, which will be 52. Next difference, we see 42. The next difference we see is 30, and the next difference we see is 20. So these are the differences. Let's see double differences also. Here we see 10, 12. Let it be 14 is the difference, then it must be 56. If it is 56, the next difference must be 16. 56 plus 16, which will be 72. So it must be 72. The next difference must be 18. 72 plus 18 will be 90. So where we got the differences of 76, here we got 76 and here we get 52. So in between them 1444 is our wrong number. Bro, how you study for English subject? I am getting lots of problems in it. Actually, I go with the editorial class of Vishal Parihar sir, and I see some classes of Nimsha Bansal ma'ams every day. By using those, I am getting improvement in my English. Okay. Next question. Again we see wrong number series question. Let's solve this one. Here we need to see differences. The first difference we see is 14 plus 3, 17. Here we see difference of 32. Difference is 3 and 53. Here the difference is 68. Here the reference is 85. So I can say that 17, 68 and 85 are the 17 factors. 17 one times, 17 4 times, 17 5 times. So these must be 17 factors, but these are not. So this is 32 and 53 means this is a wrong number in between them. 135 is a wrong number. Next question. Again one more wrong number series question. Let's solve this one. I think we have completed this one. So we got 2 times of this question. Now we have completed the total concept of quant. So what we have completed, 10 simplifications we have completed, 10 quadratic equations we have completed, 10 approximation questions we have completed, and 10 what we have completed, missing number series and wrong number series questions. Now we reach to reasoning part, which is the syllogisms 10 questions, starting with the syllogisms 10 questions. Let's get started. Some crows are black, some black are pigeon, all pigeons are birds. Next, all birds are flies. Conclusions. Some black are the birds. Yes, it is true. We can see that some part of black is sharing with birds. Some flies are pigeons. Some part of flies is already sharing with the so it is true. All pigeons are flies. All pigeons are inside flies. Yes, it is also true. So all are follows. So option D, all follows, is our answer. Next, second question. Some stones are pebbles. Some pebbles are the tiles. No tile is a brick. All bricks is a marble. Okay, let's see conclusions. No tile is marble. So we check, if we see no, what we check is some tiles can be marble or not. Some tiles can share with marble. We can share some part. So some part is possible means no case fails. Tiles are the stones. Some tiles are stones. There is no direct. So these two are fails. Next one. Some stones and marbles, so there is no direct relation between them. So we got none of them follows. Okay, option C is the answer for this one. And we don't see tile and marble sequence of either or question. So the answer will be none of these follows. Next question. All colleges are universities. Some universities are academy. Few schools are colleges. This is the schools. Okay. Conclusions. No school academy. We can say the some part. So no case fails. Next one. All universities are schools. All universities is inside a school. No, it is also not. So answer will be, again we got neither one nor two is our answer. Okay. Next question. Here we got only a few. Passage is a path. Some path is a way. Only way is road. So road is inside way and doesn't share with anything except way. Some road is passage. No, first one false. Second one, all passage can be path. All passage can place inside path. It is also not possible. So again we got none of these follows. So totally we are getting none of these follows all the time. Let's see, some Radhika or Rajesh. All Rajesh is Shashi. All Shashi or Ajay. No, Ajay is Bhuvanesh. Question asked is all Bhuvanesh being Radhika is a possibility. All Bhuvanesh can place inside Radhika. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Next one, all Radhika being Bhuvanesh. All Radhika can be placed inside Bhuvanesh. It is not possible. So second conclusion will be false. So only one is true. Option A is the answer. Next question. Let's see this one. Question given is all drink is bad. Only a few ice is bad. Some water is ice. Conclusions. No water is drink. Here we can share some part of water with the drink is possible. So no case fails. Some water can be drink. Some part of water can we share with the drink. Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion is true. Option B is our answer. फिट जोन्स आस्क्स 4 को मेरा एग्ज़ाम है और मॉक में मेरा स्कोर नहीं बन रहा है. मेरा भी 4 का एग्ज़ाम है. Mocks are little difficult than the actual exam. So don't concentrate on your exam marks in mock tests. Just practice without any wrong questions in it. Try to attempt the marks with accuracy. Mostly concentrate on accuracy. Don't go with marks. No massage is viral. Half massage is C means this one. Okay. Some C is message. No. First one false. No C is massage. We can insert some part. This is also fails. Either or is our answer. Okay. Next question. 100 vowels are birds. Means all vowels are birds. Next one. Few ostriches are vowels. Ostrich. No crow is ostrich. Let's see conclusions. All ostrich can be birds. We can place. So first one is possible. Second one, few birds are crows. Some birds are crows. It doesn't represent like that. So second conclusion will be false. So only one is true here. Next one. No sis is Tom. No Tom is hop. No hop is pan. Some sis are pan. There is no direct relation between them. This is some Tom being pan. Tom here, pan here. So it is possible. So second conclusion is true. Next question. Few clouds are dark. Only a few dark are white. All white are black. All dark can be white. All dark can be placed inside white. It is not possible. Next. Some black can be clouds. Some black can be clouds. It is true. So first one is false. Second one is true. Option B is our answer. Next question. Now we reach to inequalities. Now we reach to inequalities. Let me see how many people are watching. There are 12 people watching. If anyone doesn't like the session, please do like the session first and try to answer these questions. M to G. From M there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. N to D. From N there is no flow. So second conclusion is also false. So answer will be neither one nor two. Madhavi Lalita Bale, welcome to the channel. Next one, let's see this one. The flow from V to P. From V there is no flow. From V there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. The flow from Q to U with everywhere equals to. From Q there is no flow. So this also false. So answer will be no conclusion is true. Next question. The flow y to k with everywhere equals to. From y we can reach to g, or else from y we can reach to a, but we cannot able to reach to c with everywhere k with everywhere equals to. So first conclusion will be false. The flow from c to I, from y we can reach to, from c to I, so from c we can reach to t, from t we can reach to y, from y we can able to reach to I. So second conclusion will be true. So option B is our answer. Next question. Here the flow from R to M, from R we reach to P, from P we cannot able to reach to M, so first conclusion will be false. Second one, the flow from P to O, from P we can only reach to R, but we cannot able to flow to O. The flow from N to M, from N we can flow to O is possible, from O we can reach to M, it is possible. So third one is true. So only 3, option C is our answer. Next one, the flow from R to M with everywhere equals to, from R we can reach to S, from S we can able to reach to M, and we see everywhere equal to, so the first conclusion will be true. Second one, the flow from U to L, from U we can reach to R and S, from S we can reach to M, from M we can reach to L, so we can reach to L, it is possible, and we see everywhere there is equal to also, here is equal to, here is also equal to, equal to, equal to, and equal to. So in our conclusion there is no equal to, so this conclusion will be false. Only one is true. Option D is the answer. Next question, the flow from I to P, from I we can reach to H, A, from A we can reach to P, it is possible, so first conclusion is true. The flow from G to B, from G we can reach to I, from I we can reach to H, from H we can reach to B, and this is also true. So both 1 and 2 is true, so answer will be option A. We got second one is also true. The flow from, wait a second, let me show you. The flow from G to B, from G we can reach to I, from I we reach to H, A, sorry, okay, second one is not possible, only one, okay, option C is true. From H, the flow from G to I is possible, from I to H, from H we reach to B, and everywhere we see equal to also, but there is no equality in our conclusion, so the second conclusion will be false. First one is only true. Option C is our answer. Next question, the flow from D to G, from D we can able to reach to G, it is possible. Next one, from A to F, from A we can reach to C, from C we don't able to flow to F, second conclusion is false, only one is true. Next one, the flow from J to O to J, from O we can reach to P, from P we can reach to J is possible. The flow from M to F, from M we can reach to P, from P we can reach to F, it is possible, but we see everywhere equal to also, but in conclusion there is no equal to, so second conclusion will be false. So only one is true, option A is the answer. Next one, the flow from R to T with everywhere equals to, from R we can reach to S and P, from P we can able to reach to T, but there is no equal to here, so the first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from P to M, from P we can able to reach to M, it is possible, so second conclusion is true, only B. Next question, the flow from M to S, From M we can reach to N. From N there is no flow. So first conclusion is false. From S to O. From S we can reach to N. From N we cannot able to flow to O. Second conclusion is also false. Neither one nor two. Next one. Now we reach to coding and decoding. The question asked about what is the code for is. We see is in the last statement. Fool is beautiful. So we need to eliminate fool and beautiful. Beautiful is here and fool is here. So what is the common code in this beautiful and last one, which is we see one is common. So eliminating one in the first statement and the last statement, the common thing is 9. So eliminating these two we get 5. Option B is our answer. Next one, let's solve this one. We need to find there. We see there, here also. Is there any other common words in these two? Or no, few, no, points, no. So the only code for 2 and 3 will be the answer. MH, no, CF, no, RD. So RD is our answer. Option D is the answer. Next one. Now we are going to see one more question of coding and decoding. MH, IMXJ. MH. We don't see MH in other statements. X and J also we don't see in other statements. C and F and RD we see there from these two, and common in these two is R. So few points is MH and XJ. So we have few points. We have R here, but R code is nothing but CF. So this case fails. Few points. So the IM must be the code for simple or difficult. So IM we don't see in the given statements. So answer will be option E. Both A and C options are possible. Next one, PW. We see PW here and we don't see any other where. So other statements are IO and CF. We see already CF, IO in the first statement. So the one which is a single term is own. So answer will be C. Next one, what is code for you? Here the code given as did you speak is given as this one. Here we have did. So according to did, so what we have common in this and this, y r. So our answer will be BG or FM. BG or FM. So answer will be option E. Next one, killer. We see in these two. Is there any other common? He is a. No. So the common word in common code in these two is NB. So answer will be NB, option A. Let's see next question. This is related to blood relations. First try to solve this blood relation. R is the mother of S. S is the husband of G's daughter. Okay. V is the of A. and V is not a sibling of S. Okay, that's fine. S only child's grandfather. S only child grandfather is G. So the male person. Okay, P has three children, out of which only two are married. P has three children. So let example take G married with P. So they have three children. U is unmarried and has C is the wife of T and has a daughter D. P is the father-in-law of C. So I got a relation like R has a son and married to V. V is the daughter of G and P, and they have three children. U is unmarried, and another one which is T. T married to C, which is female, and they have a children D, which is daughter. So the first question says that 2D, what is A? 2D, where is A? A is the child of this one. So cousin. So answer will be cousin. Option E is our answer. First of all, those who are not solved the question, please note this one. I am not going to make again this relation. Okay, let's see second. How is U related to D? So how will be U related to D? U is either aunt or uncle according to our question. So cannot be determined. Option B is the answer. GP not married. Both are. Does you see the statement of V is not the brother of S? P are married. Let's see the next question. If Z has a husband, if Z is the husband of A, okay, so A is a female, then Z is related to S. For S, Z will be son-in-law Option A is our answer. So you okay. Next question. Now we reach to alphanumeric series. Let's see this one. If P is added in the beginning of all the words, then how many meaningful words will become a meaningful English word? Okay. Rub, sin, pout, clap, no single word. So answer will be none. No meaningful word. Next question. If all the words are arranged as per alphabetical order, then how many letters are placed? So first we need to place them in alphabetical order. So L, R, S, T. These are the sequence, and says that how many letters are placed as per English alphabet between the middle letters of the words from the left hand. P is the father-in-law and G is the grandfather. So Tarun Reddy has a doubt in this blood relations. First, let's note what are the S married to V. Have a child A, and V is the daughter of G, and G is married to P. Okay, they have one more child U, and one more child which is T married to C. T is male married to C, which is a female, and they have a child which is D, daughter. Let's see each and every statement. R is the mother of S. Is it okay? The first one, R is the mother of S. So who is the husband of G? Wait a second. S, who is the husband of G? See this one. S, who is the husband of daughter of G? S is the husband of G. Is it also fine? G is the grandfather. P is the father-in-law. G is the grandfather. How they both can marry? Let me show you. Wait a second. Next statement says that V is the mother of A. Okay, it is also fine. And V is not the sibling of S. So we taking them as married. Okay. S's only child. S only child means A. Okay. Grandfather. So either here male person or here talking about male person, and says that is G. So G is male according to the this point. Okay. P has three children. So if we take P here, then we need to have three persons as their children. But I take P here and take three children. Okay. U is unmarried. P is the father-in-law of C. Here we have a child of P and G, which is T is the child of P, and his husband wife is C. C's father-in-law P. Wait a second. Okay. So here is the point that we failed. According to your question, it is right. So I got your point. So we need to change this pattern to other side. U and C married to T. Remaining everything is same, but only this point is what I missed. Sorry for the mistake and thanks for correcting. Okay, thank you for correcting. Let's see, have we completed this one? Let's see this one. Is there any problem with the streaming? Is there any problem with the streaming? First we need to find we need to write these in alphabetical order. So M N O P Q R S T, these are the order. Next says that how many letters are placed as per English alphabetical letter, so between the middle letter of the third word from the left hand. Third word middle letter, so U, and from the left hand, and the second word from the right hand, so S I. So in between I and U there is a, this is a 9 and this is a 21. So in between there is a 12 plus 1 13. 11. 12 minus 1, 11 is our answer. Option C. Next question. If all the letters of the word that started with the letter that comes after M in the English alphabetical series are arranged as per reverse dictionary order within the words. Okay. The statement says that if the word comes with after M, so these are all comes after M. So we need to write all those words in reverse alphabetical order, the letters in that words in reverse alphabetical order, Y, T and O. Next one is B here, U, R. Next one S, N, I, U, T, O. Okay, and says that then which of the following is the third letter of the fourth word from the right? Fourth word from the right. This one. Answer will be third letter is B, option B. Anyone got the same? Okay. Next question. If all the words are arranged in reverse dictionary order from left to right, L, O, R, S, T, reverse alphabetical order, then how many words retain their original positions? T, R, S, O, L. 1, 2, 3. Option C is our answer. I got 3. Next one. Reach to directions. Please try to solve this question and comment the answer for this one. were placed in a park as per the manner described here. Chair B was 24 meters to the west of A. Okay, A, which is 12 meters to the south of A. B was 10 meters to the east of H. So Tarun Reddy got the right answer. South east is our answer. South east is this one. Okay, I think same pattern everyone got. These are equal. These are equal. If you want the places of C, H, D, L, B, A. Next one is E and F. Okay, let's see the next question. Find the odd one out. From it, the odd one is A and E. A and E are in straight line. B and D straight line. D and L, they are also in straight line. H and C also in straight line. F and B are not in straight line. Option E is a odd one. Option E is odd one. FBA. Okay. Next question. Chair C is how much far and in which direction with respect to F? With respect to F, it is to the west. So the distance between them is 34. 34 west. Option C is the answer. Okay. Next question. What is the shortest distance between F and D? F and D. So 24 square. 24 square, which will be 576, and 7 square 49. Sum of these two under root 25. Option D is our answer. Option B, 25 is our answer. Okay, right answer. Next question. Which of the following chair is are placed towards the northeast of H? Northeast of H. L and F. A and C. A and C is our answer. L and F. Both are in the northeast of H. So why does the options doesn't have like that? Both L and F. Option B, L and F is our answer. Next question. So we have completed all the questions of simplifications. Wait a second. So in this video we have completed totally 10 questions of simplifications, 10 quadratic equations, 10 approximation questions, 10 number series, 10 syllogisms, 10 inequalities, coding, decoding, blood relations, alphanumeric series, directions. So finally we have completed all these questions. Now is there anything we need to discuss? Thank you, nice session. Okay. In afternoon session I will bring approximately 15 arithmetic questions, and if possible I'll bring a data interpretation set also. So if any people are new to here or not yet like the session, please do like the session and watch this video. If you are just joined now, at what time? Approximately 2:30 p.m. Approximately 2:30 p.m. I will start. Prepare for your exam on 4th, bro. Don't waste your time in conducting live for us. Okay. There is no live class tomorrow. No live tomorrow. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do like the session. If no other people like the session, please do like the session, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.